Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll be going through some of the basic utilities that Google Colab has. So let's get started. And for that, you just type Colab dot research, and it will automatically show you up. Just click on it. Go to Colab, and if you're new to Google Colab, so something such some sort of this interface will pop up, and nothing no not, no none of your previous work that is saved will show you up. It will just show you the welcome notebook, and just click on it. All right, and it is the standard interface of Google Colab welcome notebook. So if you are here for some machine learning or Python related tasks, so just click on to connect, and it will automatically connect you to a standard runtime, and which will be using only CPU, and it will work as like your normal PC only. All right. So if you want to do something related to deep learning or neural network based models, which has something to do with tensors and matrices, so it will hugely depend on GPU. So you can also switch to GPU environment by clicking on runtime, then click on runtime and go to change runtime, and make it to GPU. So we'll look into how to do it GPU in our new notebook. So just in order to create a new notebook, and you don't want to walk over here, no. So you just create a new notebook by clicking on file, new notebook. Click on to new notebook, and something sort of this will show up, and there will be nothing. It will be completely blank notebook, and the name is of course some sort of untitled. First thing to do is just to rename the notebook by clicking on there. All right, just make it first dot ipython notebook. Don't change the extension. All right, so now you do the same thing I've already told you. If you want a standard runtime, just click on connect. You don't need to do anything else. If you want a GPU runtime, just click on change runtime and go to GPU, click on save it, and it will show you some pop-up related to if you don't really need GPU, don't turn on GPU, because it will not benefit you in any way. It's just a wastage of resources. So don't think that it's free, so let's always use GPU, because anyways, yeah, if you're for using it for normal tasks, normal Python machine learning tasks, and GPU will not add any difference to your work. So just click none if you're using normal, if you're okay with standard runtime. If you want something related to GPU, just click GPU and click save. All right, after that, if you click on connect, it will automatically connect you to a GPU based environment, not a standard runtime. So it will not show you up here that it is connected to a GPU related something. It will just show you the same RAM and disk memory that is here available to you, made available to you. So here you can see the information, and in order to get started, let's uh, let's start with some of the basic shortcut keyboard shortcuts. So this will be your interface in the beginning, and if you want to jump into some cell and type some code, just click on enter, and it will take you over into the cell. All right, so just type anything. Let's say print hello world. It's not a coding related job, but I don't get something much simpler to this one. All right, so just if you are inside this cell currently, and if you want to come out of the cell, and just click escape, and you are out of the cell. You can't edit something now. You are just in the normal page, and if you want to create some like if you want to create another cell below this current cell, just click on P, and it will create a new cell which is below it. All right, and it will automatically take the cursor to the next cell. All right, just press escape if you don't want to work on it, and just if you want to go to the previous cell, press the up arrow, and it will take you to the upper cell. if you want to work over here, just press enter. And if you want to run this particular cell, only this particular cell, nothing else, so just either you can click on the this play button, the small play button, or you can press control plus enter. All right, it will run this cell. It has very like only one line of code. You can write as many code in one cell only. um, then the next most important thing is um, like if you want to import some data set which is huge in size. Let's say you want to work with some data set that's in GBs, let's say 4 GB, 5 GB, something like that. Like my motto is, if your data set that you want to work with are very huge, so just go to this extension library. Actually, you need one particular extension in your uh, Google Chrome. So just go to apps, go to web store. All right, just click on curl widget. Just type curl widget, right, and hit enter. And the first search result should be yours, will be the one. So this yellow thing, and it's already installed in my Chrome, so it will not show me add to Chrome. It will show you up, and just add to Chrome. That's simple, and there's nothing specific about the installation. It will automatically do it. And after you are done with the installation, come back to the Colab file. Just go to the link, the particular data link that you want to download and start working on that. So just let's say you want to work with Kaggle, or you have a shared drive, like let's say you have a Google Drive with that data set that was shared to you. You can you can use the same procedure for both of them. So let's use Kaggle for now. Okay, so just click on download button. All right, and it will start downloading. You don't need to download it into your PC. You need it in the Colab file, right? So you just cancel the downloads and go back to your Colab file. Just click on this yellow curl widget that will pop up after you have successfully installed it. Just click on it and just press Ctrl C. All right, and just press Ctrl B. All right, then apart from this, you need something else, which is exclamation mark here. That is also not, and just hit enter. All right. After you hit enter, it will automatically like start importing all the data that is present in the Kaggle server to your Google Drive server. All right, so now you can also check if the files are present. So just press not ls. All right, and hit enter. It will show you this like zip file that is currently present. And let's say you want to you can't work with a zip file, right? So you want to unzip it first. So just type unzip and the file name, just copy paste over here. All right, simply copy paste and make sure it's inside this string. All right, and just click enter. Now whatever data that is available in this zip file will automatically get extracted into this Colab server, and it's it's already made available to use. Okay, so just clear it. All right, so anything you do with the cell will not impact the the data that is present in your Google Colab file. Let's say you have already downloaded this zip file. So even if you remove this cell completely and hit enter again, it will not delete that file that was present there. So you can check it, like press not ls, and it will also show you up that zip file along with the extracted files that we have already extracted. So next, let's see how to copy cells. Okay, so often you might need to do the same operation that you have done in the previous cell. So you just need to copy, you need to copy those cells again into the below cells. So just for let's say you are inside this cell and you want to copy this cell and all these first two cells. All right, let me just create one more cell. All right, and it's a normal random cell. All right, so we have three cells now. Let's say we have four cells now, And let's say you want to copy only the first three cells into somewhere down or somewhere anywhere in this Colab file. So just go to that particular cell. Like if you are inside the cell, press escape to come out of the cell, and please press shift plus down button, and it will start selecting the cells that you want, and keep holding that shift button. And if you want more cells, just keep pressing the down button. The third cell is selected and the fourth cell is selected. So after selecting the cells, just press Ctrl C, and it will show you like four cells are copied. Then let's say you want it to be pasted above below all these cells. So just press Ctrl V, and it will paste all those cells in the order, in the same order that you have copied. And let's say you don't want to copy, you just want to delete the those particular cells from that position, and you just need to paste it somewhere else. So just similarly control like shift down to select all those cells. So uh, you have successfully like pasted these cells. um, okay, you have like cut the cells, and let's say you want to paste it below this. So just press Ctrl V and it will paste it. All right. So these are basic techniques. And one more thing I want to tell you is, if let's say you are working on some project, and you have made changes in this cell, and in order to be able to see the results, whether it worked or not, you need to like run all the cells that are above it also. So instead of like manually doing runtime, going to runtime and clicking on run before, you can simply click on control and F8, and it will run all the cells that are above it. So that's a faster method to do it. And that's about it. So in the next video, I'll be like showing you how to write a blog, a technical blog, or any machine learning or data science related blog on this medium. And this is something that I'm working, like I'm writing one of my blogs currently, and I'll just show you how do you write a blog. Because writing blogs and showing up that this is my blog can be very helpful in your CV. So that's about it. So we'll meet you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.